Take flight with Siemens at EMO 2025. Experience an AI-powered digital thread for part manufacturing. Engineer next-generation products using innovative technologies. Collaborate seamlessly across teams using characteristics and PMI data. Design breakthrough parts with topology optimization. Enhance performance with advanced simulation. 3D print complex parts at scale with industrial additive manufacturing. Cut programming time by 80% with AI-driven technologies. Optimize machining processes using the digital twin. Realize adaptive manufacturing with advanced on-machine probing cycles. Manufacture high-precision components faster with the latest machining operations. Ensure part quality with integrated inspection programming. Define ergonomic and safe assembly operations using human simulation. From 3D models to flight-ready components, see how Siemens transforms manufacturing, achieving lighter, stronger, and more sustainable parts by uniting the digital and real worlds. An AI-powered digital thread that makes the impossible possible. See it live at EMO 2025.